Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Oppo Reno 2 versus the iPhone XR. iPhone XR comes with Apple A12 Bionic chip with a 3 GB of RAM, while the Oppo Reno 2 comes with a Snapdragon 730G chipset with 8 GB of RAM, and it is a high-end mid-range processor. iPhone XR comes with a last year flagship processor. And let's see how much a difference between the Apple A12 Bionic chip and a mid-range Snapdragon 730G. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up. Logo came up first on the Oppo Reno, followed by the iPhone XR. Oppo Reno 2 is faster when it comes to booting up, while the iPhone XR is also right behind, about 1 second difference there when it comes to booting up. iPhone XR comes with a 720p liquid retina display, while the Oppo Reno 2 comes with a full HD dynamic AMOLED display with no notch, no hole, while the iPhone XR comes with a big notch, which I don't like. And the iPhone XR is running on iOS 13.2.3, while the Oppo Reno 2 is running on Android 9 Pie. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background, and you can see, and the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and that seems like a little bit faster on the iPhone XR. iPhone XR is give you a very smooth animation, while the Oppo Reno 2 give you a very fast animation, but both phones is really fast. No lag on both phones, very fast animation on the Oppo Reno. So opening up the settings, again that was about the same on both phones, very smooth animation. So opening up the calculator, and that is little bit faster on the iPhone XR, followed by the Oppo Reno. So opening up the My Files, same result, no difference there. So opening some more application like My Clock, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 2, followed by the iPhone XR. Opening up the calendar, that is super duper quick on the iPhone XR, followed by the Oppo Reno. So iPhone XR give you a very smooth animation as well as a fast apps opening time in system based applications. So opening up the Candy Crush, and iPhone XR is done, followed by the Oppo Reno 2, and you can see about 1 second difference there. So next on the list is the Subway Surfer, and that is again super duper quick on the iPhone XR. Apple A12 Bionic chip is really faster than the Snapdragon 730G. Let's see the Temple Run 2, last game application we have in this video, and again that is little bit faster on the iPhone XR, while the Oppo Reno 2 is also right behind, about 1 or 2 second difference there in this application. And guys, you can see that the system based application is faster and more smoother animation on the iPhone XR, and you can see. So last opening up the application that is called as the Camera's default camera app, that is quicker on the iPhone XR, followed by the Oppo Reno 2. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on the Oppo Reno 2 versus a Safari internet browser on the iPhone XR latest version on both phones. First website is the wikipedia.org, and that is faster on the iPhone XR, super duper quick on the iPhone XR. Scrolling is very smooth on both phones and feels more responsive and smoother on the iPhone XR for some reasons. So next on the list is the wwe.com, same Wi-Fi network on these devices. And Oppo Reno 2 is open the website first, and it is also finished up faster than the iPhone XR. iPhone XR is still on loading, and now it is also done on the iPhone XR. So let's see the scrolling, and it is very fast on the Oppo Reno 2, but feels like more responsive and smoother on the iPhone XR. Very smooth performance. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Oppo Reno 2 comes with a 8 GB of RAM versus a 3 GB of RAM with a great optimization. So let's see the phone dialer, no refresh. So let's see the calculator, and that got refresh on the Oppo Reno 2. and my files on both phones, and that got refresh on the Oppo Reno 2. Let's see the my clock on the iPhone XR. No refresh. No refresh. And that got refresh on the Oppo Reno 2. Again refresh. While the iPhone XR is performed very good in the RAM management, same thing happened with the Subway Surfer on the Oppo Reno 2. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2 that got also refreshed on the Oppo Reno 2. Very bad RAM management performance on the Oppo Reno 2. Last we have internet browser. So guys, you can see that the app's opening speed is faster on the iPhone XR, feels more smoother on the iPhone XR, while the Oppo Reno 2 is right behind to the iPhone XR. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the iPhone XR, but many applications refresh on the Oppo Reno 2. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates on the Oppo Reno 2, I hope in the future. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Oppo Reno 2 versus the iPhone XR. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.